Hello students, today we will study exercise 3.3 of chapter 3rd, pair of linear equation in two variables. This is the second method to solve pair of linear equation in two variables named substitution method. Students, see how to solve this question. Question is first x plus y is equal to 14 and x minus y is equal to 4. We have to solve this pair of linear equations by substitution method. This is very simple question, students. I know that many of you have solved the sum, but for revision, let's start. Suppose x plus y is equal to 14 is equation number first, and x minus y is equal to 4 is equation number second. The method first of from equation first, x plus y is equal to 14. Now students, here there are two ways. First, either we find the value of x in terms of y, or we will find the value of y in terms of x. So first of all, we will find the value of y in terms of x. That is y is equal to 14 minus x, and this is nothing but equation number 3rd. Now, substituting the value of y from equation 3rd to equation 2nd. You should remember, we will put the value of equation 3rd, which is come from equation 1st. We will put the value in 2nd equation, and 2nd is here x minus y is equal to 4. When we put the value of y is equal to 14 minus x. Here under bracket 14 minus x is equal to 4. Now x minus 14 and plus x is equal to 4. Students, now we will add a variable term, that is here 2x minus 14 is equal to 4. Therefore 2x is equal to 4 plus 14, or 2x is equal to 18, or x is equal to 18 upon 2, that is 9, because 2 9 are 18. Now lastly, putting the value of x in equation 3rd, and you know we have third equation, which is y is equal to 14 minus x. Y is equal to 14 minus x. We put the value of x here, we get y is equal to 14 minus 9, and finally y is equal to 14 minus 9 is equal to 5. So our answer is x is equal to 9 and y is equal to 5. Please write down, and by this way you will solve all parts of question number first. Please note the solution, and then we will solve next. We will solve next part. Okay, students. Now part number 5th, we have root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0, and the second equation is root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. So these are the pair of equations, and the pair of equations we will solve by the method of substitution. by the method of substitution method. We will solve, students. Please, we have two equations, first and second. Similarly, first of all, we take equation from first. From equation first, root 2x plus root 3y is equal to 0. We will find the value of y in terms of x. Therefore, root 3y is equal to minus root 2x, or y is equal to minus root 2x upon root 3. So this is equation number 3rd. Now write down. Write substituting the value of. Now write substituting the value of y. Substituting the value of y in equation second. In equation second. Now we have equation second, root 3x minus root 8y is equal to 0. Now we will put the value of y here. Root 3x minus root 8 multiplied by minus root 2x upon root 3 close is equal to 0. Now, students, we can write this under root 3x minus into minus plus root 8 and root 2, that is root 16 x upon root 3 is equal to 0. Now here, students, we can write root 3x plus square root of 16 is 4. 4x upon root 3 is equal to 0. Now we can take LCM. Root 3 is LCM here. Now root 3 into root 3, 3x plus root 3 1 is root 3, 1 into 4x, that is 4x is equal to 0. And now by cross multiplication, 7x is equal to 0, because root 3 into 0, it becomes 0. 7x is equal to 0, therefore we can write x is equal to 0 upon 7, and you know very well that is x is equal to 0. This is the first value of x, first part of answer x. Now after this we will put the value of x in equation 3rd. Note down this solution. Okay, friends, I think you have noted down. Okay. Now, from equation 3rd, and 3rd we have y is equal to minus root 2x upon root 3. This is equation 3rd, students. Now we will put the value of x in this equation. Y is equal to minus root 2 into 0 upon root 3. And you know very well, if 0 is multiplied in any number, it becomes 0. So y is equal to 0. Our answers are x is equal to 0 and y is equal to 0. This is answer, students. Note down. And we will solve last part of this question first. Till then, take a screenshot or write down. Okay, students. Now, last part of this sum. We have part number 6. 3x upon 2 minus 5y upon 3 is equal to minus 2, and second pair x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. Now this time, students, we have sixth part of question number first of exercise 3.3. So now we will solve this. try to understand. First of all, we make simplify these equations like that. 3x upon 2 minus 5y upon 3 is equal to minus 2. When we take LCM, 6 is LCM here, 2, 3 are 6, 3 3 are 9x minus 3 2 are 6, 2 5 are 10y is equal to minus 2. Do cross multiplication. So we get 9x minus 10y is equal to 6 2 are 12 minus 12. So this is our first equation. So this is the simplification of this equation. Now similarly, we will solve this equation as x upon 3 plus y upon 2 is equal to 13 upon 6. Okay. Now take LCM. 3 2 is 6 plus 2 3 is 6, 3y is equal to 13 upon 6. Now we can cancel out 6 from both the side. Eliminate this. We get 2x plus 3y is equal to 13 as equation number second. Now from equation first we have 9x minus 10y is equal to minus 12. From this equation, we will write the value of y in terms of x. So we can write this 9x plus 12 is equal to 10y, or we can write this y is equal to 9x plus 12 upon 10. This is equation number third. Now student, we will continue.